CLTV was launched 14 years ago on May 10, 2007, taking on the giants of the national broadcast industry and making a big impact on Central Luzon's local media landscape. Trusted journalism is now more important than ever, and through the years, CLTV has served the region through hard-hitting news and public affairs programs, as well as entertainment programs featuring local talents and artists. CLTV, as the leading local regional news and public affairs TV station, is uniquely positioned to provide the hyper-local news stories and feature topics in the local context that are not offered by the national networks. It made its mark in the regional media industry by providing a platform by which the community can articulate their aspirations and be involved in the discourses that shape the nation. And now, 14 years later, CLTV is gearing up for digitization in accordance with the Philippines' plan to fully switch to digital television by 2023. CLTV has invested in new upgrades as part of its digitization plan, starting with production equipment and digital mobile news gathering system, the studio and master control rooms, switchers, studio to transmitter link, playout servers, and the antenna system. But while the shift to digital is ongoing, the network would not be shutting down its analog terrestrial transmissions in Central Luzon just yet, ensuring that no one will be left behind. The Philippines' migration to digital TV will not only pave the way for a better TV viewing experience, but it will also allow for a more efficient and richer information dissemination platform in times of calamities with the Integrated Emergency Warning Broadcast System, or EWBS. 51% of Metro Manila's households now own a digital terrestrial television box, while 16% of the total Philippine households now tune in to their favorite television shows using the new technology. Together, let us watch our favorite CLTV programs as the country transitions to digital, changing our TV viewing experience forever. Indeed, the shift to digital TV begins now.